Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how my beginner butt did this hairstyle following a picture that I found on my Explore page on Instagram. So I'm actually starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to divide it from ear to ear on the back because that is where we're going to start creating the box braids. In total, we're going to have 14 braids. So we're going to start with the back. I'm taking some of my twisting cream. Definitely not. That is so much better and it's staying that way. You see? Curly hair sort of tricks people into thinking you have a lot of hair, but you really don't. Some of you do have a lot of hair. If I were to just do regular braids, straight up just using my hair here, it would be way too thin. So I'm gonna add a little bit of hair and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Bottom part of my hair is typically much looser than the rest of my hair, but even so, it's pretty stretched out where it's pretty manageable. Again, it is like first day hair, so. Okay, so all you do is take the hair and I'm gonna take this and wrap it around my hair. You see that? My real hair automatically becomes the middle leg of the braid. And so I'm just gonna start braiding. And now, because I'm doing this to myself, there's going to be some sort of separation and it's going to be loose at the root, just a little bit because of the way I'm holding the hair. And when my real hair becomes like either the left side of the braid or the right leg of the braid, I just hold my hair and then push up like the rest of the hair. I found that when it's on that position, it's a lot easier to push up the hair. When you're running out of your real hair, just like share a little bit of the hair. And I just quickly went over and finished the box braids on the back. So now I got this going on. And now is where we get into the interesting parts. So first you're gonna wanna start sectioning off how you want your braids to look in the front. Again, I was following this beautiful picture, so I was just following the pattern that she had on the photo. I didn't really show you too much how I braided my right side because honestly, I was messing up so much, and if I would have left that in, this video would have been way longer. I feel like when I first started braiding, I kind of mess up so bad, and then by the third braid, my hands are used to the position and it just gets way better. My fourth braid, I was killing it compared to how I normally braid my hair. So that's the exact braid that I'm going to show you guys on how I cornrow my hair. I took a small piece of braiding here and I put that between my real hair, leaving my real hair in the middle as it's hanging here. And using my index finger and my thumb, I'm always going to go ahead and take my index finger and brush hair under the middle leg of the braid and then proceed and do the same thing to the other side. I think it's a little easier to watch because it's kind of hard for me to explain it. But every time you're going to go braid left to right, your index finger to push hair under the middle leg of the braid, grab it, and then just keep going. Oh yeah, and another thing, as you braid, I learned that while using my middle finger to hold what I'm braiding down, it helps keep it tight and it doesn't slip and loosen up and then just undo the braid, if that makes sense. There's this video that I always reference that I watched that helped me learn. I think it's the best one out there and I'm gonna link it down below. Because again, I'm just a beginner. I'm just showing you how I did it. I am so proud of this one. I feel like I do so much better when I don't have baby hairs in the way. Because when I do have baby hairs, it hurts to kind of start at the root and I end up starting like all the way back here by mistake. This just proves that I'm getting better, okay? Just saying, practice makes perfect. I'm still a beginner or whatever, but. So I went ahead and finished off braiding my hair, and I then again, of course, went in and did my baby hairs. What's new? And then this is a trick that I always see but I've never tried. I took some hair foam or hair mousse and applied it all throughout the front of the braid, and then I took a scarf, a headscarf, and tightened that up, and this is supposed to help neaten your braids. I've never done that before. I hope I don't have just like a blob of residue or whatever when I take this off. I'm gonna get dressed and we're good. So I'm back. Don't mind my arms, okay? I was on set and I was 2 days in a row just under the sun, and no sunscreen prevented the Caribbean sun from burning my arms to the point where I'm peeling now, which apparently is a thing for me. I used to never ever peel this off. I am really proud of myself. Like, this is not a thing for me. I've never done this side this good. I feel like I can do these better now because I have more confidence in myself. The back, it's a 3-4-4-3 situation. I'm digging the blonde at the end. I really like this. This is cute and I'm gonna keep practicing. I am very proud of myself. I am. You should see how much hair is on my floor. Anyways, that is all I have for you guys today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.